Welcome to my YouTube channel where I give you how-to videos in under 60 seconds. So here's how to join. Today I'm going to show you how to join Omegle in 60 seconds. Wait, why is everyone talking to strangers online? I know you've been wondering and having fun. Don't blink, I'm about to show you. Now picture this. One click, a random stranger, different country, same Wi-Fi street, right? Welcome to Omegle, the internet's most chaotic social experiment. There is no login, no password, no verify your email, just vibes and talking to strangers. Here is what you need. All you need is just a phone, smartphone, or a laptop. Obviously, you need internet and a little main character energy. Right? That's it. No forms, no commitments. So what you have to do is enter the portal. How do you do that? Open your browser. You could be using Chrome, you could be using Safari, whichever it is. Open your browser and type Omegle. Just like that. There's no need to download an app. We love lazy tech, right? Next is you choose your personality. If you're feeling shy, then just pick text chat. If you're brave enough, you're confident enough, then pick the video chat.